Hello friends, welcome. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe. Friends, there is a new news from Pi Network team, Pi Core team, dated January 15th. Okay, so what's the news is? Let's see. So here is a tech and product update for November and December 2021, including ongoing and completed efforts. Tap red block above to check it out. Information released previously about the enclosed mainnet, including a roadmap, mining and supply, is still available in the mainnet info button. So mainnet info button is still there. So the update is about the mainnet launch that has happened in December 2021, and what are the major changes and updates in that is given here in this update. So let's read block, click on the read block and let's see what it is there. So it is at minepi.com and tech and product update November December 2021. So during this period, whatever the updates are there added in the Pi network is given. So in broader sense, let's see, is for the mainnet launch and KYC app, then Pi browser, Pi wallet, Pi platform and ecosystem, Pi general improvements. So these are the major categories. What is inside that you will see now. Let's see tech and product update November December 2021. Pioneers, welcome to another Pi network tech and product update for November and December. Most of the updates related to the development and deployment of features for mainnet which launched on December 28, 2021. Read on for more details and look out for exciting upcoming developments and news. Note that this will not be a complete list of the work done. So minor work done details is not here, but what were the major updates in the release is given here. Mainnet launch. Implemented changes and calibrated the mainnet Pi blockchain to get ready for enclosed mainnet deployment. Launched the mainnet. Designed and developed new mainnet mining mechanism. Built infrastructure to provide pioneers a simulation of the upcoming mining formula. Deployed this new mining simulation while the previous mining mechanism continues to be in effect to date. Iterated on design development and deployed a Pi balance dashboard where pioneers can see their balance breakdown. Design, developed, iterated and deployed mainnet checklist on the Pi app showing essential steps before the mainnet transfer of the Pi balance on the phone. Adjusted the testnet block explorer to and support for the mainnet Pi. Blockchain for viewing mainnet transactions. Wrote draft of new white paper chapters informing supply, new mining and roadmap. So this was related to the mainnet app, and now it is coming for the KYC app. Deployed KYC app to a few thousand pilot participants for testing. 100 pioneers per country or region. So like KYC app has been deployed for testing for hundreds of pioneers. Designed, iterated and developed KYC validator flow for pioneers who have passed KYC to apply to become a validator for KYC applications. Get trained in tutorials and be evaluated through cross validations of work results. Set up infrastructure to securely analyze the KYC pilot data and test run. Improve and scale machine learning algorithms. So these were things that were updated in KYC app. Analyze the submission of the KYC pilot participants that included 100 applications per country region. Tested the use of redacted images within the app to create a balance between accuracy and privacy, while achieving scalability for millions of KYC, wide coverage of diverse populations and accessibility. Tested updated image verification flow that will request the pioneers to upload new photos when previous photos are found to be ineligible. Develop, improve and deploy a liveness detection feature within the KYC app that uses machine learning to determine the liveness of the video and expressions of the person. So these are the changes made to the KYC app. If someone is updating their ID card and the photo is not that clear, then they can re-upload it. So this is what it is trying to say, and if the selfie is not good, they can take out new photographs for himself so that it can be easily uploaded. Made scalable and infrastructure improvement for the KYC app. Develop KYC invite feature that will allow pioneers to invite those on their referral team and security circle to apply for KYC, and pioneers can also call on to other people so that they can also do the KYC. Now the update on the Pi browser. Deployed a new version of the Pi browser for Android and iOS devices, which can request access to the phone's camera necessary for the KYC app. So Pi browser is designed in such a way that it will ask you to allow the access to the phone and camera so that the person's video or photo can be captured. Developing the ability for pioneers to receive notification from Pi browser that will directly open the relevant app on the Pi browser when clicked. Now third thing is Pi wallet. Deployed the connection of wallet to mainnet blockchain. The updated wallet allows pioneers to switch between mainnet and testnet. The next thing is Pi wallet. Deployed the connection of wallet to mainnet blockchain. The updated wallet allows pioneers to switch between mainnet and testnet. So they can user can switch between mainnet and testnet, and they can check their wallet balance. What it means is the wallet, how many coins are there in mainnet and how many coins are there in testnet. They can have that visibility. Developed and deployed push notifications that alert the pioneers when they receive test Pi. Now next thing is Pi platform and ecosystem. Reviewing code iterations for a release of updated payment flows. Design and develop new payment API for app to use payment flow. Developing an ecosystem app that serves as a translation engine to support community translations within the Pi ecosystem. Next thing is Pi general improvement. What are the other general improvement is given here. Develop the name update appeal feature for a pioneer to request a minor name change outside of the initial 14-day name change window. So something is given so that if someone has misspelled his name, he can correct it, and the time period 14 days is given for that. Deployed fix for the bug that causes the Pi app to open with a blank white screen. Developing the phone number appeal feature for a pioneer to apply for minor changes to previously inputted phone numbers. Released email verification features on a rolling basis to limit batches of pioneers at the time still ongoing. So they will verify phone and email addresses also, which comes under general improvement. So these are the main improvements that was given during the mainnet launch. So good thing coming up from Pi network team. So good luck, and friends, this video is only for educational purpose, so please apply your own thoughts before investing anything on it, and I am not responsible for any loss to anyone because of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.